Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money like this every single day by selling free PLR ebooks. In this video I'm going to show you where you can do how you can do the niche research and where you're going to get those free ebook and complete a new site where you can sell this ebook, because this site is new and they have a less competitions and getting over 1.4 million traffic every single month, so you can tap into that free traffic, guys. So also watch this video until the end for the June giveaway. So I will do the giveaway every single video, so watch that video until the end. Before that, if you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also, if you like our video, press the like button on the bottom of the video. So what I did is I went to Google and type a list of hobbies, and on Wikipedia page these are the section will open up. These are the people, these are the list of hobbies. So what I did, I just copy this list and put it into my Excel page here. Then I spent about 2-3 hours spending searching for the trend on Google using Google Trend. I didn't use any fancy software, just using the Google Trend. From over 250 hobbies, I picked first 20 topics that people are searching right now today. So these trending is going up. So if the trending the score above 70 mean people are searching it, is worldwide trend, not in particular country. So people are searching different niches, different hobbies. So these are your niche targeted. So if you want to know, or if you want to know about those 20 listed, I put it in the description, so go and check it out in the end of the video. So what I did, I pick a niche around self-help related topics. Okay, then I want to visit the website which I download free PLR ebooks. The first website is called IDPLR, which I have the subscription with them. So they have a free section where you can download 200 free PLR ebooks, but I have the subscription to download 12,590, which I paid. That you can see it over there, because you can see it on my PayPal address here. I paid around 99.84 because I want to access more PLR books, because what I uploading right now at the moment are less. I want to get an up-to-date PLR book, but you can get it free from here, but I am using a paid version. Also, if you can't afford this, go to website like freeplrdownload.com. These ebooks are a little bit older, for example 1 year old, so you can download that. Or you can go to this website called Resell Right Weekly. You can download this up-to-date ebook, about 3-month-old, 4-month-old, so you can download this ebook from here. So 3 websites: IDPLR, freeplrdownload.com, and Resell Rights Weekly. So these are the sites you can get all the free ebook that you want. So I already get the ebook I wanted and I download that ebook. Once the ebook is downloaded, it's on zip file, so you can extract those information. So this is the first book I want to go with, is Organized Life. This book is published 9th June 2020. See, this is 15th June 2020, only 4 days old, which means there's no competition. People are not selling this ebook. I'm the first one to sell. That's why I get the subscription. But you can still get you can do the same thing with 3 or 4 month old ebook. Now what you have to do, click and open and download this ebook. Once it download, you can see it here, this download book. You can see this is zip files. Once you open up, these are the ones you can see get all the information. The module 1 basically gonna get all ebook and the chapter graphics, which mean chapter 1 to 10 graphics, the front page of each chapter. And inside that you have a checklist you can give as a bonus. So this is your ebook. With the ebook you can give a checklist, and this ebook I have a mind map also, so I can give as a bonus. So I able to get more customer because I am providing bonuses on top of the ebook. Then I have the sales page. If I am doing that, then I have a landing page, landing management. I have email template, file template in order to promote my ebooks. And this is the final ones, the graphics, where you're gonna get the images for your books. So if you click books, you can see those images are here. There's a different type of images, box type images, then you have logos, covers, checklist, images. So you can get these images and upload it into that website. Now before I show the website and the tutorial how you can set it up and how you can make money, I want to show one more thing, guys. Here, instead of you keeping this front page because it's a little bit dull and you don't want that, go to Canva and create ebook cover for free. You can see from here I already created this is the ebook cover for this book, Organized Life. So I already created that and did put about the book, and there I put these images. Instead of putting different images, I put the chapter images there. This is the buyer note. You can upload, you don't want to upload, so let them know that's the ebook, but you don't care about that at the moment. So you need to done the cover. So you've done the niche research. I showed you the website, 3 websites where you can download this free PLR ebook. Third one, you've done the ebook cover for using Canva. The fourth one, the website is I'm going to show you, is called payhip.com. As you see, you can here, this is a completely new site, around 33,000 in ranking, so 34,000 you can say it in all ranking, and you can see the monthly views are going up 1.4 million every single month. So you can see the top countries: United States, United Kingdom, India, and Morocco, Germany. And you can see this is the website getting lots of traffic every single month, and the traffic is going up. So you can tap into the free market, free traffic early on, so you can sell more ebooks. So visit the site, and there's a site here. This is the site. You can do PayPal, so you can add your PayPal or bank card for the to receive the payment. So I go with the PayPal. It's more simple and easier. If you go to the pricing section, there is there's no registration fee or nothing like that. So for example, I recommend go with this one because you have all features, unlimited product, unlimited revenue, 0% zero cost per month, but they will charge 5% transaction fee every single item you sold. If you go with plus, the transaction fee hold down and you have to pay monthly. And if you go for this is the big amount, there's no transaction fee. But when you are selling a couple of ebooks, you don't need these 2 sections. You can go with this one. If you're doing a subscription, you're doing your own ebook and selling for around $500-600 dollars, then you can go with this one of things. But we are going to sell for $1 or $2, so I recommend go this way and create your free account here. I already created that account, and I'm going to show you how you can add the product from on payhip.com. So this is the front page where you're going to see this is your dashboard. So you have to click add your first product. I already add and I remove because there's an issue with my product. Now what you have to do, I had to go to the product section here and click add a new product. So click add product. It will take this section where it's a digital product, physical product, or subscription. We are going with digital product. Now you need to upload the product file. So you need to click and open and go to the file. First upload the ebook, open, then upload the bonus. Also you upload here, so make it easier. Then you need to go to checklist, upload that checklist, that's as your bonus. Then also you have another bonus for this ebook, it's mind map. So you go there and upload that too. So already done that. So some ebook have a mind map, some book have a checklist, some book have a different bonus. So you can add that to make a combined big product, so people can buy it for me. Now you need to add the title. So I had to add the title here. The title I already typed in eBay. I will make a video about how to sell on eBay, but at the moment I just copy this title here and upload it to here. So you can title PDF ebook plus checklist and mind map included. There's a price. I'm going with the $2, and you need to upload your product image, which is we already done using Canva. That's why I recommend go with your own image rather than they provide, because some of the image are very dull. So once it's done, you go down the section, your description. You don't have to write anything because I'm going to show the way and you're going to get a description for free for this ebook. So when you go here, there's a section called email, right? Oh, there's another section called sales page. You can get it from here. There's a sales page. there's a Word document about entire sale page about this book, and basically it's the same thing what the book is called. It's description for that entire book. You can just copy and paste that information into the description. It's same thing. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna go here, and I already uploaded to eBay, so I copy that and go to this site and put this there. And also I put in the description, I put the price of the book, which I'm selling for 99 pence on eBay, but I want to here I want to sell for $2, so I have to change the price in the middle, otherwise they will confuse the buyer. Okay, I can't find the price at the moment. Okay, just go down, okay, there's it. Yes, here I want to change it that to, it's normally 47 for only something for now is $2. Okay, just put $2. So you can highlight this part. I think you can't color it, but you can highlight that part a little bit darker, and that's it. You can go here and add the product, it will add automatically. Also you can upload another product image if you want, so you can upload that category chapter category if you want. So this is the part is done, your product is added. This is a link, you can copy and promote that link using your email list, or you can share with social media in order to promote that. So if I copy and paste the link, you can see the preview of the book. This is the book which I'm installing here. This is the description, and this is the payment. If they click, I have to enter my PayPal address here to finalize my setting. Once it's done, you can make money like this every single day. Like I said, this website is completely new, and the number of views are getting higher every single month. So you can tap into this free traffic and you can make money like this every single day. Thanks guys for watching, and the competition is, if this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. So what you have to do is, if you are new to channel, subscribe. If you're old subscriber, click the like button. On the comment section, I like this, type I like this video and put your PayPal address. So what you have to do, subscribe, click the like button, and type in the comment section, type I like this video and put your PayPal address. If this video get 100 likes in the June, I will only run this competition on the June. So if this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway by picking up the winner from the comment section on the next video. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next one.